everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a lovely chicken recipe with you. Many of you have been asking me to show some nice chicken curry. Today I'm going to share a lovely chicken salna recipe which goes very well with parottas, dosa, idiyappam. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the chicken salna, first I'm going to roast a few ingredients. To the pan, add some cinnamon, about 7 cloves, 4 cardamom, 2 teaspoons whole peppercorns, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons roasted chana dal, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds. Add a piece of stone flour or kalpasi. Just roast all the ingredients. We're just going to dry roast them. So if you don't have the roasted chana dal, you can also use cashew nuts instead. So I'm also going to add about 5 cashew nuts. Now poppy seeds will be nice if you add, but if you can't find poppy seeds or if it's not available for you, it doesn't matter. You can make this masala without the poppy seeds. So just roast all the ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. So you can see the ingredients have been roasting for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's got a lovely golden color to it. Turn off the stove. So I'm getting this nice aroma from all the ingredients. Just transfer it into another plate and let it cool down. So next I'm going to grind all the ingredients together. To the mixer jar, add the roasted ingredients. Along with this, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, about 5 small shallots. Add a little water and grind it to a nice fine paste. So just add little water at a time to get the nice fine paste consistency. So you can see the masala is ground to a nice fine paste. Keep this aside. So now we're going to make the chicken salna. For this, take a nice wide kadai. Pour about 2 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, just add the whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom and 1 bay leaf. Next I'm adding about 4 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. You can see the onions have turned to a nice golden brown color. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Next add 2 green chilies slit, 4 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. So you can see the tomatoes have become nice and mushy. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons red chili powder. So if you like it nice and spicy, you can add another extra teaspoon, 2 teaspoons coriander powder. So now I'm going to add the chicken pieces. I've taken about 1.5 kilos of chicken. So once the chicken is no more pink, add the ground masala paste. So you can see the masala has coated the pieces nicely. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of water and cook the chicken. So after adding the masala, you can check for seasoning and add a little more salt. So I'm adding another 2 teaspoons. Close and cook for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you can see the chicken is cooked beautifully and the oil has separated. Finally, add a few curry leaves and some chopped coriander leaves. The chicken salna is done. Enjoy the chicken salna with some nice parottas by the side. there you go, here is this absolutely delicious chicken salna. So make sure you grind all these masalas nice and fresh and make the masala according to the quantity of chicken that you're preparing at home. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.